What's up guys? Today's product how-to is on our Nano Mister. Moisture is needed to cure our glue, but too much moisture will lead to shock curing the glue, and that is not what we want to be doing. Using a Nano Mister can help speed up the curing process of your glue, but in a safe and controlled environment to avoid shock curing altogether. So this is our Nano Mister. Inside the box, you should get three things. You should be receiving the Nano Mister itself, as well as a USB charging cord and a water squeezy bottle. To fill your Nano Mister, you're gonna wanna flip it on its back and place your thumb on this little latch that has the water droplet on it and press downwards. This will open up the water filling compartment. You're gonna want to flip this plastic tab upwards, and you're gonna wanna take your water squeezing bottle and squeeze your water into the water filling compartment until it's at the 5 milliliter mark. Seal that hole up, press downwards and close the latch, and then your Nano Mister is full. To spray the Nano Mister, you're going to want to take your thumb and push downwards on the front compartment, revealing the opening for the Nano Mister. As you'll see, there is a USB charging port on the bottom of the Nano Mister, and your cord is just inserted into the bottom slot and then it will charge. We normally recommend charging the Nano Mister for about 6 hours. So when the light on top of the Nano Mister is flashing red, that means the Nano Mister is dead. When the light on top is flashing blue, that means your Nano Mister is in need of a charge. And when the Nano Mister is flashing green, that means your Nano Mister is fully charged and ready to mist away.